I've always had a sincere appreciation for the ocean, so when insulated water bottles emerged to the market, I was honestly stoked. It was a small way to give back and protect the thing that practically raised me. However, after a few months of using my water bottle, I began to notice this odor, and no matter how many times I washed it, I couldn't get rid of this smell, and being somewhat of a germaphobe, I wanted to know why. So I teamed up with some scientists and engineers at my university, and I discovered that the average water bottle has more growing bacteria colonies than your average dog toy. All of this led me to develop Luma. Luma is an insulated water bottle that uses digital UVC light to kill 99% of bacteria in your water and in your bottle. So this means no more nasty after smell and great tasting water no matter where you are. Our UVC light rests in the bottom portion of the bottle, so by always being in contact with your water, the UVC light is able to kill bacteria more effectively, so you can always be confident that your water and bottle are being kept clean. Using the Luma bottle is easy. You just fill it up and press the button, and in 60 seconds you will have a clean bottle and fresh water. Plus, Luma Bottle's battery is rechargeable and lasts up to 2 months on a single charge. With functioning prototypes and manufacturing ready to go, we need funding to put this bottle into production so we can distribute it to you. Help us make Luma Bottle a reality so that we can make clean water available to everyone while continuing to protect the earth.
Stranded outside or in your car during extreme cold, without a shelter or way to stop your core body temperature from dropping, you'll quickly become hypothermic, and you're facing a life or death survival situation, one that causes more deaths each year than every survival situation combined. GoTime Gear's Life Bivvy emergency sleeping bag is designed to serve as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. Plus, our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring combines 9-strand, 550-pound nylon core paracord. Plus, you have a multi-purpose utility cord you can use to repair gear or get a fire going, and an emergency whistle that's powerful enough to cut through trees and strong winds to notify rescuers up to 1 mile away. The Life Bivvy is also waterproof and ultra durable. It's made of extra thick polyethylene material with heat-sealed seams to protect you from harsh weather like snow, rain, and wind. The interior of the Life Bivvy is what protects you from hypothermia by reflecting up to 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. So even though it's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 4.1 ounces, the Life Bivvy is durable enough to keep you alive in dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it up, and stuff it back into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add to your bug out bag, planning for a winter emergency like being stranded in your car during a harsh storm, or need a lightweight emergency bivvy to carry in your hiking or hunting pack, the Life Bivvy is engineered to stand up to the most intense survival situations and is the emergency sleeping bag for you.
If you were into adventure activities like hiking and camping, maybe you need a compass can help you. Whether you are an adventurous or a beginner, it decides to stay helpless for a few hours in a solitary forest or find a way to return to civilization on a camping trip. The AF 4580 military compass comes from AOFAR, a brand known for a wide range of products for outdoors. When you find the directions, through the sighting lens with adjustable diopter to check the index. Confirm the direction, measure the destination distance with a map. This is a hanging loop. The lid can be flipped at 180 degrees. This makes it easy to adjust to the reading position and fold it up after use. On the left is the scale. It can be used for map measurements, and the scale on the right is used to calculate distance. Hope you have a good trip when you use the AOFAR compass.